Hi my Fresitas, here I'm back with another video. This is just going to be a quick get ready with me. And I also wanted to show you, I got the other 3 colors of the liquid lipsticks from the Bella G Cosmetics. I'll just give you some swatches. And I will also swatch the one I had but I didn't wear in the last video, which is Candid. I'll do that one first. So it's like a nude peachy tone. They're all nudes. And then we have Velvet Touch. They come in this cute little box. And you guys have seen the component already. This one, oh, I said is Velvet Touch again. This is like a pink, I believe. Pinky nude. Like a pinky corally nude. There it is. It's the second one right here. Which I think that's what I'm wearing today. I'm not sure yet. It might be this one. This is Orchid. This is a little more pink than the last one, which is a little more coral. It's the third one right here. And that's the one I'm actually wearing. I wasn't sure which one was the pinkier one out of the 2. And then the last one is Frisky. This is like a brown, nude brown. Kind of like a orangey yellow tone, undertone. So that's that. And yeah, those are the 5 colors. Well, I showed you the 5th one, which was 2 AM in the last video. So yeah, go ahead and check her out, guys. Okay, today I'm just going for a simple everyday look. Just a little bit of shadow, little mascara, lipstick, you know. Okay guys, I'm gonna start by prepping my skin. I'm gonna use the Glow Recipe Plum, I can never say it, Plump Hyaluronic Serum. I'm gonna use that first. I already washed my face. Always remember to do what you do to your face, to your neck. Then I'm going to go with the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Niacinamide Dewdrops. These long names, I can't. These long names. This gives you a little glow under your makeup. And it smells so good, like watermelon. And lastly, I'm going to use the Glow Recipe Watermelon Pink Juice Moisturizer. I'm gonna let the moisturizer sink in before I put sunscreen on, since we are going out today. I'm gonna start by priming my lid with the Morphe primer, eye primer. I'm gonna set my eyelids with just some translucent powder. Coincidentally, I'm going to use the same palette I used last time, the Warrior 2 by Juvia's Place. And I'm literally just going to use some light colors here. I'm going to go in with this one down here and this one right here. Just want to give a little color to my lids, but I'm not going to do anything crazy. Just something simple today. Going in with the grayish color first. And I'm going in with the pinky nude color. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and with this Stila liquid glitter, what is it called? Glitter and Glow is the color, I believe. It's liquid eyeshadow glitter. Just gonna put a little bit here on the lid. Use my finger to move it around. Now I'm going to curl my lashes. I'm going to go natural today. Using the Lancome Lash Primer, I'm going to apply this before my mascara. While that dries, I'm gonna go in with the NYX The Brow Glue. I don't know how I feel about this yet. I've used it maybe like 5-6 times. Sometimes I like it, sometimes I don't. Let's see how it goes today. I like this eyebrow better than the other eyebrow. I don't know why it just... I don't know if it's just the side it's on, it's easier for me to work with, or what. I'm gonna go on with mascara, Sky High. I think it's like the dark brown color or something. Let's see. But it's like black brown or something. Okay, now I'm gonna go in again with my NYX Lift and Snatch pencils. I use the ash brown for the center, lighter color, and Espresso for the outside of the brow. I'm going to go ahead and apply my sunscreen by The Ordinary. I'm going to go in with my ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid tinted moisturizer in my beauty blender. Well, it's not a beauty blender, it's the Gina beauty sponge that I was talking about last time. I'm going to go in with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in number C3.5. I'm going to use the E.L.F. Putty Blush in the color Turks and Caicos. That's what I thought, but I wanted to make sure for you guys. Oops. I'm going to just use this brush. And I'm just going to go in with this MAC bronzer in Lush-Light Bronze. For powder, I'm going to use the Juvia's Place Magic Setting Powder in White Sands. And I'm just going to go over my under eyes with my sponge again. Blend out any creases I've gotten. I'm going to highlight with this Jaclyn Cosmetics loose highlighter in the color Amped. I'm gonna do my lower lashes, same as I did my upper ones. I'm just going to use a nude eyeliner in my waterline. I'm going to go ahead and massage my lips with this Sonia Kashuk lip scrubber. And I'm going to use this Fenty Beauty, it's like a lip scrub. And on top, I'm going to put the Fenty Beauty lip, what is it? Luscious Lip Balm. I always put something on my lips before I put a liquid lip, because if not, it tends to dry out my lips a lot. And then I'm just gonna take excess off. And like I mentioned at the beginning, I'll be using the Bella G Cosmetics lipstick in Orchid. I'm really excited. I love the other two that I wore so far that I bought first. Oh, it's such a pretty color. To set my makeup, I'm going to use the Morphe Seal the Deal by Madison Beer. You guys, this is just so mesmerizing. It's like one of those toys where they had the like sparkly water like this, but for grown-ups. Okay, my Fresitas, this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Just a simple, everyday, running around errands look. I'll catch you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. I would love to you guys to stick around to see what's coming next. Let me know if there's anything specific that you want to see in my videos. But till next time, I'll catch you guys later. Bye.